Hello friends, welcome to Tackle, and in this video we are going to learn about the geolocation. Geolocation is one API which is useful in implementing or in using Google Map in your application or in your web application too with any of the programming languages. So this is the website console.cloud.google.com which will be helpful in creating the API key, and that key will be there whenever we want to use Google Map in our application. So this website is one platform which provides us with API key for the geolocation. So let's begin. Open the site, try for free, agree and continue by accepting the terms. Again accept the terms and continue. Here you have to enter your details and just click on start my free trial. Now again open a new tab, write the same path, so now this is your dashboard. This is the name of your project using which you can create your API. Now by clicking on this project, new project, you can also create a new project. I am creating it using Gmap and create. My project is been created. Once it is created, you just have to click on that project. So now your dashboard is all about this Gmap, that whatever activity you will do, it will be stored in this Gmap project. Now go to API, click on library, and you have to activate some of the APIs which I have mentioned in my description. I am just So this maps API, you have to activate it, and likewise you have to activate the rest of the API mentioned in the description below. Now go to credentials, create credentials, API key. You can restrict your key, but it is okay if you won't restrict it, and just close it. So here your key has been created. Likewise, you can create as many keys as you want by just clicking on API key and not on OAuth or any account. You just have to click on API key and your key would be generated automatically. And now this key would be helpful to you in all programming, and that we will see in the next video. But if you like it, then please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.